Yes, Vegas. Me see you go put out next video at this bounty killer blogger them again. But on a bounty killer blogger them you want attack. A bounty killer you want attack, you know. But you don't know if you attack bounty. Because the visa thing a bounty killer get back, it a burn you like a pepper. It a scorch you like a fire. You understand? And that a mad you right now. So bounty can get a chance to travel again and make some money. Bounty killer go shine again the right way I'm supposed to shine. And that a your problem. Can you want bounty killer for just there Jamaica to and from to and no bounty killer can go travel the United Kingdom. You understand? So that a your problem. I know we you want attack. A bounty you want attack, but you don't know how to do it. You know? You can't go over where killer there right now, over there too hot. Over there is like lava right now. And it'll burn you in your heart. It'll burn you to your heart and soul. Because you never know say the day would have come when bounty would have get back in visa. And the visa bother you. You come and talk about bounty killer fans and blogger them not buy bounty killer album. Me I buy bounty killer record them from me I go to school youth. From me I go to school me I buy bounty killer record. You understand? From me I go to school from 1992 to 93 going up. When me in a sound business, I just go in a sound business. Me I buy bounty killer record them. I talk about plastic record. Me I go a record shop go buy record. So don't tell me about buying bounty killer music youth. Me buy bounty killer music from me a liquor youth. You understand? Spy fi die. And the one with the man watch me a cozy. You know me just me buy the whole of bounty killer record them when me a youth I go to school youth. You understand? Till people says a bounty killer sound me have got a beer bounty me a play. So you nobody come tell me, come talk about bounty, buying bounty killer music and where we buy bounty killer music from day one. You can't come talk up with we. But as me tell you, at the visa issue, I bother you. But you don't want to come talk it because you know say people will dash the fire upon you wicked and tell you, oh, you're bad mind. You never know how to come approach this thing. Yeah. You understand? So you attack the blogger them. You try to take a little side road. You can't. You have to go back in your ocean and go swim out. You understand? The dry land is not for you. You understand? He's a sea creature. So just stay there, sir. You understand? Stay there, sir. Bad mind a kill you right now. It a twist and a turn you. You understand? And nobody feel like people can't see it and people can't put two and two together. I know what you're up to. Two of your number anyway. So people know what you're up to. You understand? Ever since bounty killer getting visa from what day, that bother you. So true bounty killer go put out in project canon. Yeah, make it look like at the project and the blogger them and bounty killer. Oh, you know bounty killer fans them now by the project. Oh, you know that? Eh? Oh, you know that? Go find one little rock and swim on and keep your mouth quiet, man. That you fi do.